family, Coach Crystal here. I am here looking for my hot teas. Are you a hot tea? A hot tea is just somebody that I made it up. Anybody can do this, y'all. I always make stuff up, but if you know me, you know that already. So I'm here to talk to my hot tea drinkers or my coffee drinkers. I am a solution finder, and I have several solutions for anybody that wake up in the morning or in the middle of the day is just like, hey, I just need a cup of hot tea. So if you're watching this video, more than likely you're on our amazing nutrition plan, and you probably already experienced our tea cold. Our tea comes in several flavors. For this morning though, I love our chai tea. I'm actually going to make a chai latte. So our tea comes in chai, cinnamon, lemon, raspberry, peach, original. We also have a pomegranate tea, and if you like your hot tea in the evening before bed, we have a green relaxation tea, y'all. I pour my cranberry aloe over it, sip it before bed, and I have the best night's rest ever. So if you're a VIP member, you can boop, 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 log into your account. You can look at it, order it if you choose. If not, reach out to your coach. They'll be able to get it ordered for you if you would like to try it. All right, so let's go. Of course, hot teas. To make a hot tea, we need some hot water. So I have my hot water here. And as I stated before, I'm going to make my chai tea. And this is something you may or may not have been aware of. All of our teas come in these little cute carrying packs as well. So if you choose to, like this is chai, and this is a half a teaspoon. So I wanted to show you, if you were to have the packs and you carry them around with you, super simple and easy. You can share them with your coworkers or not. And my cup says, I'm just a girl ready to conquer the world. So I know you guys can relate to that. Also, whenever I have my tea, I always add our NRG. NRG stands for natural raw guano. It helps with mental clarity. And I know myself can definitely use it. My kids in college, like, they love it. So a half a teaspoon of our NRG, and our NRG come in packets as well. But before, when we didn't have the packets, I would just take this little cutie and pop it right in my pocketbook and carry it around with me. Now we're just going to put some water in. And you can easily, now again, I'm making a chai latte tea. You want to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. I'm going to put a little cinnamon in here. So I like a little cinnamon in my tea. Not required, but recommended if you like cinnamon. Now remember, this is a chai latte. So we have these oat and almond creamers that I love. You got to be careful with it though. It has a little sugar in it, but we're not a sugar-free, this is not a diet, right? It's a lifestyle. So if you're following your macros or watching your sugar, you just want to make sure you look at it, because I believe there's 4 grams of sugar in a serving of the oat creamer that I'm currently using. However, they do have sugar-free creamers in your nearest supermarket. They came out with this new flavor. Now, I'm a caramel girl, but I bought this coffee cake because they had like buy one, get one free. So I was like, I like free. All right, I digress. So back to the creamer. So I get excited and start talking, y'all. So I'm going to put my creamer in. I have my little zoop, if that's what you call it, a little zoop. And of course, I don't want to burn my lips, but it's amazing. It is amazing. I had quite a few people that love coffee. If you're under the sound of my voice and you love coffee, try this. Get with your coach. Try this for 2 weeks. You don't even have to try it for 2 weeks. I've had people literally try it and they were like, oh my goodness, it took my coffee craving away. Now, we don't want to forget our aloe. So you can also have your tea hot and you can pour the aloe in it. I just like the latte feel in the morning, so I add almond creamer to mine or oat creamer. So if you do that, we still want to make sure that we're getting in our aloe. The aloe is going to help with our digestive system. It comes in mandarin, cranberry, and mango. All you're going to do so that you don't miss out on it, got a little water, right? Going to pour my aloe in, swirl it around. And I got my aloe in. It's super, super simple. All right, so there we have it. We have our chai tea, y'all. Let's get it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to do something today that your future self is going to thank you for. If you have any questions, don't fail to reach out to your coach, because we are really here to to help our community to become an amazing, healthier community, one person at a time. So you have a phenomenal day, and I'll see you soon.